Blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger that records transactions across multiple computers, making data secure from tampering and hacking. Key features include decentralization, transparency, and immutability. These properties enhance cybersecurity against data breaches. Cybersecurity faces challenges like data breaches, ransomware, and phishing. Blockchain's decentralized nature provides robust defenses. Decentralized identity management reduces identity theft risks by allowing individuals to control their identities on the blockchain. Examples of blockchain-enhancing cybersecurity include self-key for identity management and Filecoin for secure data storage. Blockchain ensures voting integrity with transparency and immutability, as demonstrated by VOATs for secure elections. The future includes quantum resistance, integrating platforms, and securing IoT devices with blockchain technology. Blockchain projects like Hedera Hashgraph and Civic are changing the cybersecurity landscape by providing privacy and security. Blockchain is reshaping cybersecurity and will play a bigger role in securing the digital world as it evolves.